Hello and welcome to a Wednesday evening of women's basketball with the Ball State Cardinals. Today we come to you from Worthen Arena as the Akron Zips are in town in a cross-divisional game.
After an emotional loss to Ohio, a team that Ball State felt like they outplayed on Saturday, but fell just 1 point short, you know that they'll be emotional here tonight. They'll be charged up and want to get back on track against Akron.
Grande in transition, hopping right around two Zips and finger rolling it in with her left hand.
Beautiful move there from Grande, the old Euro step from the Spaniard.
Monaco steps into a high elbow left jumper and banks it in.
That's a great sign from Mariah Monaco here early on.
Barilla gives outside, Blyman launches a deep three and swishes it in. Akron has their first lead of the game, 7-6. Blyman catches, angle right for a catch and shoot three. Dumps inside, double team Fontaine. Monaco moving left, shoots the three, all Twine with a sophomore from Dover with 5.
Wonderful vision from Natalie Fontaine, passing out of the double team in the post.
Akron has a halftime lead, 40-34 over Ball State. Defers left. Blyman off of a screen, fires the three right in the shoulder Morrison and buries it. Fontaine off of a handoff, Frazier catches, drives it left of the lane all the way to the cup and finishes. (65-60), Ball State with the lead.